my golden flowers? It's your girl Goldilocks. Hey, it's your girl Goldilocks. Hey, and I am back with another video. Yeah, tonight I am back with another tutorial, you guys. I know it's been a minute since I did my tutorials, but the wait is over. The wait is over. Hey, I am going to be bringing it back on the Apres Gel X nail extensions, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? If you guys want to see how this goes down, make sure you stay tuned, because this is the shit they should have told you, boo.
Flights, more champagne, different places, still the same thing. As you grow, you see that things change. A 9 to 5 just help you maintain.
You guys, it is the Apres Gel X nail extension, but this is not the original clear. Nah, this ain't the original clear, y'all. But this time, as y'all see, it is multicolored, you guys. That's right, it is already pre-colored, y'all. This right here is a game changer, boo. It's a game changer. Not only did I get it in the stiletto set, but I also got it in the coffin set, y'all. This literally will save me a step, you guys, okay? So let me really quick show y'all the coffin shape. And then I'm also gonna show you guys the stiletto shape. This has 5 different colors in it, 5. So it has the clear, the hot pink, the beige, it has the tan. Did I say white? I ain't even about to talk too much. I'm about to just put them on my nails so you guys can see how they actually look. All right, you guys, I think I'm gonna start with the stiletto. Now this is a 500-piece set. It's a total of 10 different sizes. And also, like I said before, it does have 5 different base colors. This is the size medium in a natural arch. All right, so first step is to pick out the size of your nails. All right, my golden flowers. So what I'm noticing is that with this color scheme, they are a lot smaller than the original clear size, okay? Even though they still have like a number 0, a number 1, a number 2, 3, all that stuff, I'm noticing for my thumbs, I'm having to use number 0, and normally I would use a number 1, okay? So I think they run a size small. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna make this basically on how I customize the nails, not so much on how I apply it, because I actually have 2 videos which I'm going to tag right now. So what you're gonna need, I actually got this little magnetic, it's like a nail place decorator. I got this from Amazon. Once I've already chose the right size for my nails, I go in and I file them. Thin brush heads. This is the OPI. You guys can see that. And it is olive for green color. So now we are moving on to the Swarovski crystals. All right, my golden flowers. So I am going to be adding the diamond gel charm adhesive from Apres. All I'm doing is taking the pointer of my rhinestone applier. I'm gonna be taking some of that adhesive and laying it down across the middle. Alright, my golden flowers, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below and let me know which color I should go with next. You know, if I should do the soft pink, or if I should do maybe the light pink, or maybe the white, you know. I don't know. Make sure you try this out, and most importantly, make sure you subscribe, okay? Because if you came to the channel and watched this whole tutorial without subscribing, what are you waiting for? Until then, you guys, stay tuned to the next video. Stay tuned to the next video. Stay tuned to the next video.
Flights, more champagne. Different places, still the same thing. As you grow, you see that things change. A 9 to 5 just help you maintain.